Boom, 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 boom. Morena whānau. Morena! There we go. AUT to present to Kaipātiki with our lovely coast / Hinuana Papatūnuku presentation, and then we're going to jump over to the Auckland Climate Challenge, which is at Auckland Uni. So after some cool kōrero, we're presenting there tomorrow, so we're kind of just going to like see what the vibe is, and then we're going to make a presentation tonight because last minute is so yeah, we're just gonna chill out and we'll keep you guys updated with our day. See you soon.
It seemed like they wanted that kōrero.
Alright, so presentation 1 done.
It was good.
It was good. So now we are off to the climate challenge to St. Jane Goodall. Keep y'all updated. Deuces! We made it. We are at AUT. We don't know where to go though, we're lost. This map is confucius.
I think each other laugh.
What do we do? Each other laugh? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, Jane didn't come. That's cool. We don't actually have a presentation at this point, so we're gonna go home and make a presentation, and then yeah, we will make more tomorrow. So we will see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Thank you, dude.
Day 1 climate challenge.
Woo! Okay, bye. Morena.
Sorry, I just got a like
Shiver cold. So day 2 of the climate challenge. We are on our way to do our presentation. I forgot my laptop.
Wait, we gotta go back.
I gotta go back.
Lucky.
Good job. Okay, round 2, we'll be back. Round 2.
Now we are going to Auckland Uni, and now we're gonna do a presentation because we got it.
Got it now.
We got it.
Alright, so we're here. There's no one here because we're super early, but we're ready. We're gonna do this. Okay, are you ready?
Loading up my loading block and taiao.
Hey! Ho! Loading order! You guys are going to tag them before they get there. Okay? Are they pulling? Like that. You guys are trying to tag them before they get there. Please do not hurt yourself. Okay? Hana! Hashtag Tāmaki Makaurau! So why is I just talking about the presentation? Just saying that every time we come out we just feel so good about the way that we teach because it's for us. Like we feel good about it, and then they just react to it, and we love their reactions to it.
Yeah, and it's an M thing. Like it's like yes, let's do this.
Yeah.
And I don't know, it's just so
And let's do this for our generation as our generation.
Yeah.
And for rangatahi, for youth that actually give a shit.
Yeah.
And Pacific youth, you know, Māori youth, rangatahi.
We were talking about how the Pacific kids in there were the ones that were listening the most out of like the whole
presentation. They were nodding, they were like asking us heaps of questions.
I feel great. And
I feel great.
yeah.
I feel good. I'm pretty knackered though. I need to go to the beach or something. Ooh. Okay, signing off. #parakore ki Tāmaki. Bye.